How to customize Janitor AI profile. Follow the instructions. Log into your Janitor AI account and head to the dashboard where your created characters are listed. Click on the character you want to edit, then tap on the Edit Character button to start customization. Update the character's name, age, role, personality traits, and detailed description to reflect your vision. Upload a suitable profile image that visually represents your character's personality or background story. Modify the chatbot's tone, writing style, and logic level by adjusting the advanced AI behavior settings. Add sample dialogues and instructions to guide how the AI should speak, act, or respond in each context. Choose whether the character should be public or private, depending on your sharing and usage needs. Click Save and test the chatbot by chatting with it to confirm it matches your desired behavior and tone. Thank you for watching.